Ah, mira.
Nice. That's so cool.
Aguanta, chico. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing one of your favorites on the channel. We're going to be doing photos of strangers here in beautiful Barcelona again, and we're going to be using the Canon SL3 250D with the 50mm prime lens. So vamos, and let's go and find some victims. Hola. Hola, perdón.
¿Estamos? ¿Saca la foto? ¿A
Sí,
vosotros?
sí.
Claro, ningún problema.
No, a ti.
¿A
Quiero
mí?
sacar, sí, es que soy fotógrafo y,
¿Y qué he hecho
grabamos
yo?
grabamos un vídeo para sacar fotos de gente desconocida. Si te gustaría una foto, me gusta tu estilo.
Ay, pues gracias.
Sí.
Sí, no me importa. Encima te gusta, pues vale.
Súper, muy bien. Vale.
Ay,
sí.
qué grisa.
Y si quieres,
Genial.
te las puedo mandar.
Claro.
Luego. ¿Podemos probar aquí? Sí.
Ay, por fin me han invitado de modelo.
Ah, ¿sabes qué? Aquí, ¿quieres? New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Yeah.
Colombia.
Wow.
And you? Here?
I'm living in Barcelona something about 30 years. But I'm from Ukraine.
From where?
From Ukraine.
Ukraine, cool.
Yeah.
Ты говоришь по-русски?
Aperture.
Where are you from?
Киева.
В Киеве?
Да.
Я был там. Muy
Alucinante.
Uh-huh.
It's absolutely amazing.
Small world.
That's cool though. I've never met, like when we're doing photos, I've never met anybody from Kiev yet.
Well, I was maybe like a first Ukrainian here because from 93.
Oh, okay.
Living here.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Just when I was born, basically. Well, you.
I'm really something older than you, so.
Потому что it's Ukraine.
Oh.
A lot of people have good style from Ukraine.
Thank you.
I think if you want, you can leave the bag here with my stuff here.
Okay.
And I want to try and take a picture of you maybe over here. And we can get the sun coming through your hair. Yes, будет отлично.
I'm 50 younger.
Huh?
Finally, I'm a model.
Yes.
Like 50 years.
The day is here. I've come for you, I've come for you. Nice, can I get you looking in this direction now? Yeah. Perfect, nice smiling.
Les explicaré, no se lo van a creer.
Can we try one more with your bag and the coat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I love these. These are cool too. Nice.
Mira qué chico más guapo.
So,
Tengo el chico más guapo de...
we're shooting a video for YouTube taking photos of strangers.
Yeah.
So I'm looking for people to take photos of if you want one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. You know, Paris is an awesome city, but I eat so much there. It's just too easy.
I don't really like Paris actually, so.
Nah, I was there a lot, but only for weekends.
Yeah.
So it's enough to like.
Yeah, I think in weekends. Yeah, I mean for a weekend it's fine, but living in Paris is helpful.
It's hard, man. And the
Yeah.
weather, right?
Yeah, the weather is helpful.
You gotta stay here.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, stand like this, nice. Yep. Yep, super straight face, perfect. Okay, perfect. Then give me like a little bit of a lean, kind of, like looking back and looking up. That's your new apartment. Good. Like. You try and get a full shot. Hola, perdón. Estamos grabando un video sacando fotos con gente desconocida. Y eso, mucho Russian, Spanish, English. Me gusta mucho tu estilo. Ah, ¿te говоришь по-русски? Ah, хорошо. That's so funny because you speak English too.
Yes, of
We
course.
just met a Ukrainian. Where are you from?
I'm from Ukraine. She's from Ossetia, part of Russia.
We're in Ukraine.
Yeah, I'm from Ukraine.
Where? Kiev.
Like Kharkiv.
Kharkiv, yeah.
Yeah, but I
Nice.
live here.
Cool.
I live here.
Okay, and can we try one more with your hand again coming up? Even maybe bring it out a little bit more, the coat. Nice.
Yeah, I like it.
That looks really cool. Okay,
Thank
perfect.
you.
Alright, очень приятно.
Спасибо. До
Grabamos un vídeo para YouTube sacando fotos con gente desconocida. Me gusta mucho tu estilo. Si puedes sacar una foto,
Claro.
si quieres, y luego te las puedo mandar.
Vale. ¿Cómo se hace?
Okay, yes. Okay. Sí, saliste.
Qué chulo.
Vale, super.
Bueno.
Fourth victim of the day, guys. Hey, what's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Mi nombre es Mon en chino.
Mone. Where are you?
No, Mon.
Mon. Okay,
Eh.
China.
Sí, soy de China.
Ni Jun Tengu de Haoma.
Wow. Es impresionante. Sí, porque
Sí, yo la hice.
normalmente la gente cuando sabe que yo soy de China y dice ni hao.
Ah,
Pero
solo.
tú eres de otro nivel.
Wanda Kaishima.
¿El qué?
Wanda Kaishima.
Muy, sí,
Sí.
很开心.
Yes.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, nice.
Okay, nice. Yeah, we'll see you on Instagram. I
Okay,
guess, or
perfecto.
YouTube.
Yes, thanks for participating.
Okay, thank
See you
you.
later.
Bye bye.
Man, she was really nice. Okay guys, so the plan of attack is we're gonna try and get these two guys here. They're talking to two girls. And we're gonna see what they say. Give me a like if you think that they're gonna accept. They see us walking towards now, they've noticed the camera, they're like, yo, they're gonna come up to us. And now's the time. And we're there. English, Spanish.
Japanese.
Vale, perfecto. ¿Qué? Japanese? Mira, estamos grabando un video sacando fotos con gente desconocida. Si te gustaría una foto, pues luego te las puedo mandar. ¿Si quieres? ¿Sí? Muy bien, perfecto. Ok, como retratos, ¿no? Una y una. Sí.
Vale.
Mejor. Yeah, perfect. Nice. Solo para quiero probar.
Como la lata.
Yeah.
Take the beer. Take the beer.
Claro.
I love it.
Just wait for this. Ahora a mí. This one. That looks cool there.
Yes.
Wow.
I'm feeling this.
Nice. So nice.
Okay. Ah, mira.
Nice. That's so cool.
Wait, oh. Aguanta, chico.
Ja, men fan är super.
Let's take each other out. Let's take each other out.
Take in front of the strangers.
Okay. Okay. That's perfect.
And then you want one as well?
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah. Why not?
Man, it's very good to sponsor this one. Like, okay, no. Can you go back the same way how you were sitting before, leaning a little bit back and kind of more, just looking super like small.
Yeah.
I'm an explosion, and that smile's gonna be the end of me. You cannot lie over my tie. You cannot lie over my tie. You cannot lie over my tie.
Oh wow! Look that. Hey, what?
Guys,
It's for your.
For me?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, no,
I
for
know.
the beer.
What? It's for yours. If you
See?
want.
Yeah, thanks, guys.
If you drink, take it.
Okay, thanks.
If not,
Thanks.
give up.
No, of course, I wouldn't do that to you. Like,
No, take it.
yeah, I'll take it. Gracias. No, that's not me. Thank you so much. Soy Bradso. Thanks for the beer.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye, Pete.
Goodbye.
Muy bien, sí, así. Super nice. Yes, that good. eso fue. Creo que probamos aquí a dónde está la luz.
¿Para qué?
¿Está bien?
¿Para qué?
A YouTube.
Ok, venga. va.
Ok, bien. Muy bien.
Yes.
Y ahora aquí.
Muy bien,
Genial.
encantado.
A ti,
Chao.
gracias. Adiós, chao.